Namaste to all. I Sangita Patel welcome you all to Divine Healing channel, and today in this video I'll be sharing 20 things which will help you to make your life better. And watch this video till end because last two tips are very important. No matter how much we have in our life, there is always a way to be used to make our life better, right? Which is why I want to share the list of 20 small things to make your life better and easy. Simple and easy steps which you can use and follow to make your life the best it can be. Ways to improve your health, career, happiness, and honestly every aspect of your life always be made better and better. However, making changes towards your life does not has to be a very big giant changes. There can be small things which you can do on daily basis, weekly, monthly, or even once a year. So start making life closer to the way you want to live your life. To start making your life closer to the life you want to live. Anything new you start to do, any new thing you start to do, improve your life is a step that you can start taking today to get the goal off. You can go through and pick some simple things and start implementing or use the list of the items that you want to work on to make your life better and better. Also, if you want to keep a trace of your change, so you know your progress, that is a great idea. I use a cute notebook and keep the trace because it always helps you to feel motivated to keep making small changes for a better life. Now let's jump into the list of 20 small things which you can use it to make your life better and better. First is try to learn something new every week. Second is start planning your day in the morning. Third is organize your closets. Fourth is at least listen one podcast daily while you're doing something. Fifth is put effort in improving your sleep. Sixth is very important. Try to drink more water and keep yourself well hydrated. Seventh is clean your fridge or freezer every week or 10 days. Eighth is try to walk at least 8,000 to 10,000 steps daily. Ninth is start an annual bucket list to motivate yourself, to remind you to take on fun new challenges. 10th is listen to one audiobook a month. 11th is at least try to stretch your body 5 minutes a day. If you do it for more than 5 minutes, it's well and fine, but if you cannot do it for more than 5 minutes, do it for 5 minutes at least. The 12th is socialize with your friends and family at least once a week or maybe every other week. 13th and the most important is start journaling every morning, or if you cannot do it every morning, do it every night. 14 is listen to uplift music. 15 is call your loved ones at least once a week. 16 is also very important. Aim to exercise at least 4 to 5 times a week. 7th is try to spend as much as time in nature or maybe few hours in nature. 18 is also very important. Organize and declutter your phone often. 19th is create and follow a monthly budget. 20 and the most important is make a monthly wall calendar in the way you live your life in a healthy way in all areas of your life. So I hope you guys like this video and the tips which I have shared in this video. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. To all my subscribers, people who are helping me to make this video, and people who are inspiring this video, all of you. Do like my videos and share it with your friends and family, and also do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. So till I see you next time, I Sangita Patel, take care and live with lots of love, light and enjoy. Namaste.